Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix music failed to play tracks error on Motorola G87. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, set all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down to end. Click on music and storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache, music app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.